Letsha, Dumelang, Abusheni, Sanbonani, and hello. My name is Maseng Mamabolo, Sitlolo Sadikolobe, and I welcome you to Season 2 of Embizeni, inside the traditional African pot. Now, just to give you a little bit of background, Embizeni comprises of a group of multi-talented, passionate, and creative thinkers who aim to foster change in the arts and entertainment industry. It is a skills transfer initiative where the participants are empowered with the necessary skills and knowledge to prepare them for the workplace. This year we celebrate Africa and Youth Month, and we had the amazing privilege of working with industry professionals, the likes of Ubabes Womlungu and Super, Priya Naidu, Ntlantla Zwane, Spats, Smangele, and of course, Abafazi Bengoma.
Hi, my name is Priya, and I'm here to perform an Indian classical piece in celebration with African Month and our Youth Day celebrations.
Hi everyone, my name is Bat Motlame and I reside in Alexandria Township, and we're celebrating Africa Month and June, the month of the youth. I just did a song, We Will Sing Black Songs, which embraces culture, Africanism. It's basically to enhance Black lives, and yes, Black Lives Matter.
We will sing black songs till we are heard. This is a word to everyone.
Sanibonani, igama lami uSphiwe, also known as Super.
And I am Babes Omlungu. And we are Soul Divine Projects.
Yes.
We're here in Alexandra Museum. Shooting for Embizeni Heritage
Project.
Show.
Sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
The piece that we just did was about celebration, you know.
The joining of us South Africans, the
Yes.
new South Africa. We're celebrating being together.
Yes, and we're saying hala, la.
My name is Kojo from Ghana. I'm here today to celebrate the Africa Month and the Youth Month.
Sanibonani, my name is Nhlanhla Zwane. I'm a dancer, an Afrofusion dancer from Embizeni project. Today we're celebrating Africa Day, but remember, every day it is Africa Day. Also, we are celebrating the youth of 1976 because it is a youth month. The spirit of Tsietsi Mashinini Bani Mokhatle, long live.
The beauty of the mountains. Bega ukucweba kwemifulano ukuqhakaza kwezihlahla kanye notshani base-Afrika. Izilwane nazo ziyayibona indlela. Oh hey, yeka leyo mfuyo kababa esikhanga singaphesheya kwemimoya. Kimuhle nje yileyo mfuyo. As we sing izingoma zomdabu, sigiye size siqaphuze songs of our nation, songs of our cultures, songs of our own rhythms and themes. As the sounds of bongo drums be heard in valleys, as the sounds of bongo drums be heard in valleys, are beating so calm that we nearly forgetting a nap of mind, where we eat isidudu okwamaXhosa, uphuthu kuhle kwamaZulu, siguma umrathana mandebele, mukhwapa jwale ka Basotho, re je bogobele Batswana, yitya amasontsha nabatsonga. Dance, music, culture, as we celebrate ubuqhawe bezithutha zase-Afrika, Embizeni.
So what I can say about what we did today is unity, to bring all the cultures together. It doesn't matter which color you are, So today we were showing, or we were trying to show the world that if we can work together, the sky is the limit, man.
Yabona nawe Indian dramas, contemporary poetry, masipheka kulela bhodo, kuphuma isishebe esivuthiwe, kuphuma isiqo, kuphuma leyanto le uyabona mos, kubumnandi okuphuma kulela bhodo, uyazi
The djembe drum plays a pivotal role in the rhythms of our continent, and with Embizeni, we hope to continue to share our love for the arts with different cultures, demographics, and most importantly, those who come after us. Thank you so much for allowing me into your space, and I do hope you did enjoy the show as I did enjoy spending time with you. Till next time, I wish you love, hope, and joy.
We will sing black songs till there's a way. This is a word to God to me.